This a go on a lipstick boy. Can't afford everything I mash up.
Cause Stonebwoy run the place and dead. Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know. Blessed, love and greetings, viewers and subscribers, being kings and queens. So Lion and Lion, I speak of myself. Anyone that welcome to Lion for TV. I don't know, it's another vlog. We are doing it when I boast and I brag. I give thanks to life, and I give thanks for the rising. The man let you rise and all his enemies scattered, you know. Yeah. Yes, man, so I don't know. Yesterday was a strong, you know. Give thanks to all who give me a shout out and my earth strong. Earth strong, earth strong. Bust a one buckle of rubber, you know, full joy. And just want to say give thanks to lifestyle because never know, me never gonna see it, is it? Yeah, we're not going to that, you know. So give thanks to life. So I say, yeah, man, big up each and everyone, man. They have vlog on the go, you know. Yeah. Bring my son and I go do some physiotherapy for him ankle. He mash up his ankle in a football. Huh? Yeah, man. I don't know. So my big boy, I'm a second bar. Shit, hear them, man. Yeah, man. Second bar, not, you know. 6 of them, you see it? Proud daddy. Don't know. Not have much, but I'm dead for them 100% and give them the look where I have, you know? Play my role, you see it? I have some money and I have some father and I'm rich. And now I do nothing for them youth of all 12 youth, you see me? 15 pitney. I think that's a wickedness. You have so much youth and then you don't have time to spend with them and you know, give them nothing on top of it and them have money. Yeah, man, you have some father Wutlis, man, and them not try. You see me? You must say big up all of the real father them too. Some viewers and subscribers in this episode, I don't know, come to talk about the police them and how them treat the eagle of them, the local hustle of the seller of them downtown. And I say, Jano, you know, it's despicable, man. It's outrageous and despicable how they treat the people there. And also Beenie man in Ghana. I give warning. I don't know the routine, my viewers and subscribers. After the intermission.
I've been holding it for many, many years. Sleepless nights, endless tears. I even thought of taking my life, cause it seems like no one cares.
Bumbleclad, it could have worse. Atalo, the sickest, the maddest, the baddest, the goddess. Hey, girl, come on, man, now. Hey, this a wine pan him, man. Take time and cry pan him. See, don't pan him now. You see the 31st of December, yeah? New Year's Eve. Right, yes, sir? The gardens. We are money down. We are flinging down. We are run up on this at determined Misha. You know that's something normal. Get a drum and roll and drum and beat, drum and beat things and beat things. You know me I got did there. You know one only for bad artists I got did there. I'm not for call no name. But you know what say nice. Right now, I knock up and I want some fuck. Squeeze on my ass and grab up my front. My breast them stiff like when balloon pop. So we can get it out and get it.
What's up, man?
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, I don't know. That single is out now, officially out yesterday. You know what I mean? And no one cares, you know? And also, Determined Party, I don't know. Determined Party, 31st of December. Zine, I'm part in a full other day that a place named the Gardens. You see me? And also, December the 31st again, they don't know a Mach 10 me party in a Painland, the Fameland. Zine, title Produce. I don't know. They might give a $5 to anybody who can sing piece of the Produce song. Produced by me, you know, my song. So big up all of the nice sexy girl them. Painland at the place to be the 31st. Is that what I'm saying? Want to check in, you Yeah, so we're there at the place, you know. So forward back, yeah? Yes, my people, so we're there in the physiotherapy, you know? Grab on the mask and thing. Yeah, Shane. Yeah, has he got a physio for 2:30?
Physio, up that side.
Oh, it's upstairs, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
You in upstairs.
Thank you. Yes, my viewers and subscribers. Yeah, man. Yeah. So there, let me ask you now, yeah, man. The police, them. Hold on.
There's a waiting, hello, there's a waiting room through there. Relax there, fill out Thank you. You're welcome.
Thank you. Yes, my people, my viewers and subscribers. Sorry about that, you know. Yeah, so don't know. Police them and the way them treat the people them unacceptable, you know, this them harsh. Imagine a man out there hustle, try to make ends meet, you know, I look at dollar for bring home for them family to provide food or send to school. Especially in a Christmas period, you know. Wicked. I will say them and mash up the person cat and they mash up the food them on the ground. And this is, you see me? We see a next video where a woman hold on on her cat and wrap up her hand them around the steering and say she now move. I think that was done Coronation Market. We see a next video time and time again where, you know, we see one, them take away youth stuff. And the youth I say, if I also in my house, them take away the youth stuff. And the youth never say nothing more than walk away, serious up in face and walk away. I can see say the police them get Gigi, two of them, one of them get covered, they can see it, and the next one, I look, well, let me see what I'm going to do, And the youth walk away. Now that youth could have easily walk away and go for a weapon, go for a gun and come back. And this is how them drive most of the youths them to go and step to crime, because enough of the youth them try to stay away from crime by wiping car glass, selling them look with phone charger, you know, them look with paperworks and them things there. Sell them look with bag juice and them box juice, them look with rare clothes, you see me? Push car to sell food, them look with yam and Irish and them things there. And the police them take away them stuff. Them police say you think them now have family who's in that field who are hustle. Some of them I do think some of them, but them now have a conscience. And I know the government them I tell them to do them workers, but I think the government I tell them to mash up people them things and take away the people them things. And if them even tell them say you don't have to go by with the government, what your boss say. Just use your conscience and talk to the people them decent and things, you see me? Not saying, you know, you have some people who ignorant and illiterate and they make the matter worse by trying to disrespect the police. For no reason when they could have approached the situation better and talk to them, you know. You have people them who are in that wrong that way, them and protect them, you see me? I'm have a sign. Yeah, my viewers and subscribers. So let's take a look at the video. See it?
Say road set, you see it? This is a lipstick boy. Can't afford everything I'm a...
John Star, you see how them deal with poor people. The policeman them mash up the car, frazzle. He mash up every part on the car, no fix back. food scattered up on the ground. That's wickedness. Christmas will come. We expect that person to do whether it's a male or a female. You expect them to go out there, go thief, crutch, pickpocket, rob people at knife point, gun point. And then them end up in prison. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, I don't support that, man. Police, you need to go easy on the eagle of them. You look at hustle of them, don't we are selling at the market. Remember, them look at a way out for making ends meet. And I like say them make no bag of money neither. You see me? So I'm beg on the please, man. Viewers and subscribers, let me know what you all think in the comment section, you know? Yeah, man. Them behavior is atrocious and despicable, you know? Unacceptable side. Them stop, man. And the government, them Andrew Wutlis need to address and tell them to go easy. Stop, you know? Stop antagonize the people, man. Take the people them thing. If them out of them jurisdiction and out of them bound, you know what I mean? Them boundaries, tell them to go back and stay there, so. You see me? Next, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness. Beenie man, the doctor is currently in Ghana and him link up with Stonebwoy. So, see that little clip in there and Beenie, I say, I must joke that this I can't. I see you check Beenie man a sensing, so here we go.
And nobody act like you're Stone man, you know. That will fire a rocket launcher on your head. Because Stonebwoy run the place and you're dead. Done there. I want. I need you.
Yeah, man, you don't know a Beenie man that, you know, currently in Ghana. And you don't know a good look. Maybe him and Stonebwoy have a collaboration coming, so you can look out for that. You don't know any information you get, we will make you know. You see?
Hello, physiotherapy?
Yeah, sure.
Alex, come through. You alright?
So, yeah, man. Viewers and subscribers. Beenie man say, rise up the rocket launcher now. You see me? Big up the doctor. I know the doctor is currently at you now, you know, doctor at you now again. Doctor currently in the media, social media platform, currently on the scene. If I know one thing is another thing, controversy, you know what I mean? Or you know what I mean, his life, privacy with him and his new girlfriend Camille. So yeah, man. Yeah, so viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself. That was just a quick update. Let me know what you think in the comment section regarding the eagle of them and the police, them, how they might treat them. And also Beenie man in Ghana. Big up on yourself. Whole heap of love, respect, guidance and protection. And big up everybody who give a shout out on my birthday. And we did want to give a 10 credit to 10 person, but I ended up giving away 7. Everybody received over $1,100 credit, you know. Yeah. Big up everybody man who log on last night and tune in and you know, I don't know, support is highly appreciated. I'm out. Not another word out of me out.
Who feels it now? Who feels it now? I love guys, we got me bed.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and click the bell before you go. So you always get that alert when I upload a new content. Your support is highly appreciated. May God bless you and your loved ones. Guide and protect you during and going out and coming in. Until next time, stay safe. See you soon.